Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be talking about Samsung's Note 20 and everything that you need to know that we know about this phone. And before we get into that, it would mean a lot to me if you could like and subscribe for more content like this in the future, especially if you're new to my channel. Anyways, let's get right into it. So before we go over everything that we know, I'd just like to show off the render that was recently created by OnLeaks. And basically this smartphone is going to be the same design as the S20, but more boxy, I guess, because that's just what the Note series is all about, being boxier, and with the S Pen, of course. So now we don't really know what they're going to add to the S Pen, because they do usually add something, but we do know stuff about the cameras and the design of the smartphone, as you can see in the picture that I just showed you. But other than that, the smartphone itself looks very similar, except for the back of the phone, to what we've seen previously on the Note 10 and the S20 series. Now apparently they're trying to fix autofocusing by maybe adding a laser focusing on the back of the smartphone to hopefully help with those autofocus problems that the S20 lineup had. Now the smartphone is going to be above $1,000, of course, and is coming out in August. Now I'd like to think of the Note series as a more revised version and an improved version of the S lineup. And hopefully they can fix all the problems that the S20 came out with, the camera and all that stuff. So I'm looking forward to seeing how that laser focusing helps with that smartphone camera. Now I do prefer this design over the Samsung S20 design, because the thing on the back of the Samsung S20 just looked like an oven, and this one looks, a bit different and unique, and it just stands out more. And I kind of like that they're not just trying to follow what everyone else is doing, and it just looks really cool and nice. Now another thing to bring up before I end this video is basically that they're removing the space zoom. That was the biggest gimmick I've ever seen in my entire life. So honestly, I am not going to miss that at all. They're also lowering the megapixel count on some of the cameras due to software problems that they had on the S20. So hopefully that'll help the Samsung Note 20 series have better camera improvements than the Samsung S20, because we all know how bad the Samsung S20 cameras were when they first came out, with really bad autofocusing and all these weird problems. But other than that, that's basically all we really know about the Samsung Note 20. Let me know what you guys thought about this video and what you guys think about the Samsung Note 20 in the comments down below. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.